Hi friends, here's a quick DIY for my Mother's Day table that I'm going to put together. And this is just a little thing that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's just a simple, nothing on the back, and it has this little thing, and I just simply pulled it off and removed it. I was gonna paint this and reuse it, but I think I'll use this another time. So as you can see, there's a little line here. Oops. There's a little line here for where the glue was, but that's okay because I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up. So my idea is to cut some flowers out of this napkin. I do like the French sayings here. It looks very pretty. However, I'm using these little stickers and it says Mom, and that's more English, so I don't think it goes with this French inspired napkin. So I'm just gonna cut out my flowers and use that, and I'm gonna use my little sticker because I really like that with the butterflies. My mom loves butterflies. So I'm just going to cut some of these flowers out, and then we're going to decoupage it onto this little board. So these are the napkin pieces that I cut out. So I'm going to be decoupaging. I just wanted to see where I wanted them to lay, and then I'm going to, after it's done, and then I'll put this Mom sign here in the middle somewhere. I need to cover up that strip of where the glue was. But I like the colors. It looks like it's going to go well with this little box. So I'm going to go ahead and start my decoupaging. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, this is a 2-ply napkin. So you do have to remove this part. You don't want to see that. And this is what I'm going to be actually decoupaging. And you can see, since I took the white off, now once I put the decoupage on there, the background is going to show up this color here. So that's what I want. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so here's the last piece I'm putting on. And you just want to, let me see if I can hold this and do it at the same time. You just want to do a little at a time, patting it down. And I have the decoupage all on here. You can kind of see where it was a little wet. It's dried here, but it's wet here. So I'm just simply patting it down, trying to make sure I get all of the little areas down, and try to avoid any kind of bubbling. So I'm so sorry. Alright, so got that down as much as I could, and so now I'm just going to go over the top, and you want to work from the middle out, and I'm just simply covering the edges with the decoupage. And you see it looks white, but it will dry clear. Just got a big old glob on here. There's a little tiny wrinkle, but that's okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Oh my gosh, I even got the camera in the way. All right, so one of these days I'll get my filming down right. Okay, so as you can see, I've done the other ones, and it's looking pretty good. You know, I can see streaks, but the decoupage is supposed to dry clear, so you will not see it. And this spot right here is already drying. You can see the difference from here to here. So it's already dry and clear. All right, let me get my mum sign on. Okay, I completed it. Doesn't look as good as I thought it was gonna look. I didn't have any purple. All I had was this pink, and it needs to be a brighter or darker pink, like this color in the background. But I put a little bit in there just to tone that white down, because that white was like really glaring. So but it's an okay makeover, and we're just gonna go for it. All right, thanks for stopping by and seeing my quick decoupage. I think it would have looked a lot nicer had I not put the mum on there. But the napkin with that, the background was really pretty. So, lesson learned. Just didn't have anything else to put there, and I thought that would be appropriate, but it's all right. It worked out. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys. Bye-bye.